Hello there, YouTube. Today marks the 1 year anniversary for my YouTube channel. So, I wanted to open up something special. And you probably see right here is that I have my own website. Welcome. Here you'll find some info telling a little bit about like what I could do or features I may come in the future. And yeah, that is a home page. I'll probably add to it more in the future. And one thing to note is that the URL may change over time, but I will include it in each YouTube video link. Going to downloadables is where I possibly might offer other download stuff that I would like you to enjoy and add some notes to it. But right now, there's no files here. Maybe check back soon, I'll possibly provide something. So here is where I will upload my technology tips. I will have a downloadable PDF, like for example, a user guide of how to use the iPhone. You could read it or while I have some spare time. Something like that. And here you can go to social media. And you can find out how to contact me. Like for example, here are my social media platforms. For example, here is Discord. Sorry if it's hard to see, I'll probably adjust the font. So here is Macintosh Fan, hashtag 4380. Click here to join my Discord server. Join Macintosh Fan server. And here's my YouTube channel, Macintosh Fan. Click here to check it out. Now load it. Okay, if you want to contact us, you'll have to click here or here to join the Discord server that I just showed a few seconds ago, or click the discuss here button, which will take you to the discussion page of my YouTube channel. This page may change in the future, but that's how it is for now. Or you can go to the blog where I will make some posts. Yep, they will be coming soon, so stay tuned. Alright, and if you wonder what the members thing is, apparently I could be using it in the future, but it's just there right now, so if you click on it and sign up, it won't work. But anyways, thank you for watching my video, and please feel free to check out this website. Thanks for watching. Happy 1 year anniversary YouTube channel.